Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. For today's video, we'll be making cola cake, which is a very interesting kind of take on what we usually think of cakes. So with that, let's get started. For our ingredients, we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 can of Coca-Cola, a half cup of butter, and then later I'm going to chop this up so it's going to be into cubes, a half cup of canola oil, 1/4 cup of baking cocoa or cocoa powder, 1.5 cups of miniature marshmallows, 2 large eggs that are at room temperature, half cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the topping for our cola cake, this is all optional. We have 2 cups of sour cream, half cup of cracked brown sugar, another half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So with that, let's move on to our first step. We're going to whisk together our sugar, our baking soda, and our flour. Alright, now that we got our dry ingredients all whisked together, we're going to move on to the stove for our next step, and we're going to make ourselves some Coca-Cola syrup. So while this is still on the heat, we're going to add in our butter. And I have this at very low heat. So we're adding in our butter, our oil, so we're going to stir this all together. And then we're going to let this boil again. So we're going to make sure everything is well combined. Now that we're back on the table, we're going to take our Coca-Cola syrup mixture, and we're going to add our marshmallows in. And then we just kind of want our marshmallows to be coated. And then we're going to take this mixture, and we're going to add it to our flour mixture. We don't need all of it mixed together just yet, because we still need to make our wet mixture, so we're going to go do that, and then we'll finish this up and we're going to put it in the oven. For our wet ingredients, we're just going to combine the rest of our additional ingredients. We're going to pour our wet ingredients into the rest of our dry ingredients and our syrup. And then I have my oven preheating to 350 right now. And then we're going to put our finished batter into a pan, and then we'll get into the oven. And then I'm going to tap these on a flat surface. We're going to put these 2 cakes into our preheated 350-degree oven. Bake this for around 30 to 35 minutes. And then we're going to let them cool. And then we're going to top them with our additions. And then we'll be done. Now that our cakes are all done, so I have our sour cream here. And then I'm going to spread this on top of our cakes. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Thank you everyone for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!